right, there's the G310 GS. Here's the R&G Radiator guard. So I'm going to put this on. Should be pretty straightforward. In the package you get the radiator guard, instructions, mounting hardware. I'll show you where it's supposed to mount. Let's take a look here. Alright, so as you can see, there's a hole down there, a hole right there, existing mounting bolt. So it should be pretty straightforward. I'll let you guys know if there's anything you guys need to know out of the ordinary, but should mount just right there, plain and simple. Alright, so this is what comes in the package. You get 2 stickers, you get the mounting bolts, washers, a spacer, mounting clips, radiator guard, and foam adhesive mounts that should go on the back of this, so it sits between this and the actual radiator. Give you some clearance. The instructions say we gotta cut these up, so we gotta cut them to size to fit around, so it should be good. Alrighty guys, I got the radiator guard on. It took some elbow grease, mainly because of this bracket right there. There's very little room between the radiator guard and the radiator, and I literally had to squeeze this in between it. It's all scratched up right there. I mean, it is scratched up pretty good right there. I mean, if I had the tools, I would have chopped off a notch out of the radiator guard, but I'm kind of disappointed in this R&G. It didn't quite fit, so it's weird. But I mean, it matched the mounting holes, which is fine after I squeezed it in there. I mean, that took me like a good 30 minutes to figure out how to do that. And I tried loosening whatever this is up here, but it didn't do anything with that bracket. I literally was pulling on this to try to get it to fit and pushing up at the same time. And not to mention that there's washers on here that fall off. So you have to, at the same time, coordinate your hands to put in this bolt with the washer, move this out, squeeze this in. I mean, it was ridiculous. So I do not recommend getting this radiator guard at this time until they fix that issue. But I mean, it's on there. Got the elbow grease, moved it out, but yeah, it's on. I got the radiator guard. I'm planning on a trip to go up the PCH up to Monterey, so it's a single cylinder. We'll see how this does on the trip. I'll let you guys know.